Welcome to ProCharging Systems Technical Support video series on our new and improved PROView Link app. In this video we'll be going over how to use our BMP calculator. Starting at the Scanning for All Devices screen, you will want to tap the three lines in the top left corner of the page. This will bring up a new side screen where you will select BMP Calculator. Now that we're at the calculator, start by selecting the appropriate battery voltage, 6, 8, or 12 volt. The required input information can be found on the battery label. Tap on the AH symbol and enter the 20-hour rating. Now in the next box below, enter the test results from your Discharger's screen. The second way is to tap on the MIN option and enter the battery rating, then again, filling in the actual minutes discharged. Once these fields have been inputted, a state of health will populate. Most companies use 70 to 75% of the battery's total capacity in determining if the battery should be kept or replaced. If you're not sure of something or just need a little more guidance, please reach out to our tech support team at 615-471-5300 or submit a support ticket at www.dualpro.com/support. We'll be glad to help you through any stage of the process.